Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you my new dog. So yeah, I'm gonna show him. His name is Choco. He's a poodle. When I search on the internet, poodles are the second most intelligent dog. My dog is just 9 months. I'm Senador. If you know him, just saw him today, so I'll show him right now. Just wait guys. You guys ready to see him? Okay, I'm excited for you to show you. So, you saw him. I have braces. If you didn't know that, well, that's for the people who didn't have braces. So now, I'll show you the dog I've always been waiting for. Wait, my mom is calling me. After this. Okay, it's recording. Now I'm gonna show my new dog. Come here, Choco. He likes taking me to that. Choco. He's a fast dog. And someday or in my next video, I'm gonna show you what he's capable of. Like he can climb upstairs, but doesn't take all the time. And he's a new member of our family. Right, Choco? Right now I'm actually doing my science PT. I'm just taking a break from doing it. See, I'm actually just taking a break from doing it. First, I'm in my dad's office. That's why there is this thing on top. It's my dad's, so yeah. I'm just recording here because it's nice. I'll turn on the aircon. It's a nice room in here, and I love my dog so much. He hasn't taken the bath yet. And now it's time for some crazy workout tips. Why did I put this on max? Wait. Okay, I can do stronger. Wait. See? I'm improving. Carry some weights. Well, it's time to say bye-bye to my dog for this video, because next video, he's gonna see you again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. My name's Choco. This is my owner. He loves me. Well, at least today, I could show you his stuff. Yeah, I'll show you stuff. Okay, just wait for a while. I'm gonna show you this little setup right here. His dog food thing. His food, this is water. His potty trainer. And his cage, which we rarely put him in. Now I'm going back to the office. Hairbrush. So yeah, pretty much it for my dog and the stuff he uses. I just drank milk. He's 9 months and still young. And this is how I look like without glasses. This is how I look like with glasses and braces. I really don't like these braces. I just got an implant on my braces today. It hurts. It takes me a while to eat again. This normally happens when I have implants and braces. And I had like 3 times since I had my braces. And yeah, I don't really like it. Really gotta see my dad office soon. And for this, that's it there, guys. End of this video. Show my dog done. Next video, I'm gonna show what my dog's capable of. I could video my dog when he's hyper. When I just wake up, he could already jump up into the couch, even when when he's tired. So yeah, I'm a bit tired because it's like it's 11:20 since I make this video. So yeah, see you later, guys.